An Aruban house party in the early 1900s would probably boast some kukui, rum, conserve, era-appropriate fashion and pleasantries. Yet there's one thing that would absolutely be present to bring the house down: the Tingilingi box, or most commonly known in Papiamento as the Caha di Orgel. This is your Slice Night tour guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of your Slice Night Tour Guide. Our highlight for this episode is going to be the music box, as we call it in Papiamento, the Caha di Orgel, or as mentioned earlier, the Tingilingi box. The history of the Tingilingi box, or its origins, well, is a complex one. There's evidence to suggest that the Caha di Orgel arrived in Curacao in the 19th century by way of Venezuela. Initially, the box and cylinders or drum was imported, but in 1912, Curaçaoian Horatio Sprock built his first Caha di Orgel Josefina, which debuted in the streets of Barquisimeto to rave reviews. Horatio, together with his brother Luis Sprock and Rudolf Palm, started a Caha di Orgel company where they built the boxes, composed music, and manufactured the cylinders. The box is a marvel of engineering.
Papung sa itempla sa kasi budihero ki atau riba jele bota tra e parte ki qual tu plan bot sa e qual bot eta un palo especial eta. Ja, anto isa aqui nós temos um políbara. Se ainda um palo especial, pode trazer de buga e senta cultura de zonismo é tão forte, não? Já que dá aqui na rancho, do que na de fatigo, segundo este é nota bem mais alto, então é espaço de partido, ou para poner fular, se tudo aqui para. Ok? Nessa aqui nós temos mundo, tá consiste de pati martilho, aqui num spac, aqui cabeça de martilho. Ja, anto é bom, não? Botar runha, ou não tem mulher. Se nós temos uma runha, então esse não está toque riba e clavo aqui, então está ali atrás, então dar esse aqui sonido. Ok? Aqui nós temos claviera, este palo machadura também, o motivo que teta usa penchi nange, aqui do penchi, então da dura por motivo que ora para steme e no quebra. Não, esse quadro machadura vez. Aqui está ikashi de kames, tá? Não vai se interpretar algo. Saliva pagado, cabeção staccato, guarda ma scopo sa di dire. Sì, sa che ora sa che dal poi dall'antebe dove da dempe, non metteva staccato. Sa che tu manichetta, sa.
The box is a marvel of engineering. They come in two sizes, the big ones with 8 songs and the small ones with 7. The musical cylinder inside can be single with about 5,000 pins or double with roughly 7,000 pins. A complete Caha di Orgel ensemble includes the box, the person cranking it, and the wiri, a metal rasp that is used for rhythm. Interestingly, the Aruban Caha di Orgel is played a bit faster than the ones from Curacao. Starting from 1937 onward, Aruba's premier composer, 21-year-old Rufo Waver, established his own Caha di Orgel manufacturing company. Rufo was born in 1917, and by the time he passed away in 1977, he left Aruba with 450 original compositions in 10 different popular musical genres of the era and region, which includes the national anthem, 150 orchestral and piano arrangements, and 300 Caha di Orgel arrangements. Rufo would build these boxes, make the cylinders, hammer the nails, fix any errors, and compose the music. Thanks to his efforts in pushing for the conservation of folkloric music, today Aruba has 115 Caha di Orgel, and it is the intangible heritage of Aruba. Ladies and gentlemen, I do hope you enjoyed the tour. Leave a like and a comment. Who knows, you might get a shout out in the next episode, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. By the way, links to our previous episodes, social media platforms, and website is in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Gispa YouTube and click that notification bell for more Slice Night content. As always, once a guest, always a friend. This is your Slice Night tour guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick.